We've all been on an interview, and we may or may not have felt as though we could have improved on our interviewing skills. Here are a few tips and tricks, three-part guide on how to be better at interviewing. The three parts are preparation, delivery, and follow-up. When you're preparing for an interview, you have to know the type of interview that you're going on. So please make sure that you are aware whether or not it's a traditional face-to-face interview, a panel interview, a group interview, a phone interview, a video interview, a case interview, or if it's behavioral based. Make sure that you appropriately prepare for the interview. Make sure that you practice your responses. Here are a few tools that you can use to practice. During the interview, pay attention to nonverbal communication. Be timely with your responses, provide examples. Make sure to interpret the questions before you try to respond to them. Here's an example of how you can interpret a question. Behavioral interviews are generally answered using the STAR format. Feel free to pause the video and look at the various steps in the STAR format. Prepare the questions beforehand that you think that an interviewer might ask you or questions you might want to ask. At the end of the interview, be sure to follow up. Send a thank you note within 24 hours and ask for next steps.